What do you intend to do to ensure you taste victory this week?
I think this group, I'm doing much better in this group than the first group because I learned a lot from the last group. In the last group, I think I had a few arguments with people because I was bringing points, but then I was bringing them in such a way where it was like, my points are better than your points. But now I've realized everybody's points are important. Everybody's points are great. In fact, the story we're following right now was Zita's idea. And then we took Zita's idea, and then Gigi gave an idea. And then we took some of that, and then I and Thelma put in some ideas too. And then Ortega took that idea and refleshed it. And that's what we have right now.
I've been trying to push for them to submit their scripts as well. Because initially, I wanted to write the script for the Ringmaster, but I was like, I can't do everything, and these people will just come and just sit, cross their legs, and Doris will be doing everything. I've been doing that for like 2 weeks back to back. So I'm like, no, you write a script, that's Sultana, and you also write a script, that's Kola, because last week was an entire thing of, Sultana saying I called her a weak link. And we're no longer friends anymore. Like, we're just cordial now because of that.
Apparently, I discovered a part of me is a bit loco because the role I have, and when I get to play the role given to me, I just find out that it comes in very easy. And a part of me is just waiting to unveil in front of you. I mean, you get to see it every time, but I really want to unveil with the whole regalia on, and some part of me just wants you to watch.
I want to be fire girl. We're waiting for the wager. Biggie, please bring the wager so we can practice. Because we thought the brute spray could do, this thing, we do it like in my secondary school for like match pass. And it's meant to be like not belly dancing, but it's meant to be like and like spray the insecticide. And it's like, with the lighter. And it's like, we don't plan to burn in your house, but like, we'll be careful.
Like I told you earlier, whatever I'm doing in this house, I'm giving my best effort and put all my all into it. I'm gonna do the same again this week.
Yeah, Biggie, I have my parts. They gave me a part. I was gonna play another part, but then I saw somebody that I felt like he's taller than me. This guy, Ortega, I like to call him OTG, he's my guy. Ortega, he's taller than me for this role, and he has dreads. So I feel like this is perfect for this role, even if I know I can kill this role. But because of the height and the suitability, I just said, no, don't worry. I think it was sort of an audition we did to see who would get it. And then when I saw him do it, I know myself, obviously, I know what I look like, and I know that it would be good with him due to his looks.
Yeah, already I started by reaching out to everybody individually and finding out what their personal strengths or talents, like the brief you mentioned, talking about talents. I tried to find out their talents, and surprisingly, I got to figure out that Mensah is a whole lot than he presents himself to be. Like, in my team, he's a major player. We're counting on his talent to actually win this wager. And I'm like, this boy, so you have all this kind of talent and you came into the house and started shouting, pressure, pressure, the king. Like, he's a whole lot. I'm excited. And on my end, I'm bringing in my creative side. So I'm going to be painting somebody as a tiger. I wanted to do a Dalmatian as well, but they don't think that a Dalmatian should be at the circus. So I'll paint somebody as a tiger. I'm also doing hula hoops. I'm also, I'm just helping out, and I'm confident that, okay, we have what it takes to win the wager this week. So I'm in the kitchen for a long time and a good time.